Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to expand your stay on Airbnb. So let's jump right into it. Open your browser and click on the search bar and search Airbnb website. Then you see a page scroll up. If you reserved any hotel, you can see your notification and you can extend from it. But there are some terms you can read to understand how you can extend your stay, like before your arrival or during your trip. So to extend your trip, you can message your host and ask if they can accommodate a longer stay, or you can simply send them a change request, changing your dates or number of guests. For that, go to Trips and then click the trip you want to change. Next, click Change Reservation. After that, change the dates of your stay or the number of guests and click Save. Please note that the host will have to accept any changes submitted. If your host doesn't accept, try sending them a message reminding them to review your alteration request. After that, review your changes, then click Send Request. Finally, once you send the request, the host will receive a notification to approve or decline your request. If your host accepts your change request, your reservation will be updated and you'll be charged for the extra time. If your host can't extend your stay, or if they don't respond, your checkout date will stay the same. After your trip, if your reservation has ended, it's too late to make a change request. What you can do, though, is send a new trip request to your host.